In this video, I will show you how to create a Figma account. To do this, first gonna head over to figma.com and from there click Get Started for free in the top right. Now you have two options, you can continue with Google or enter your email. I'll just continue with Google. Then from there just gonna select the account that you want to sign up with, and from there it is then going to redirect you to the following page where it will ask for your name. Then from there click Continue, choose how you plan on using Figma, which role best describes you. Now you can invite anyone else if you want, or you can go and skip this. Then have you used Figma products before? And now do I have a few plans. Now you can just get started with the free plan by selecting starter, or you can select one of the paid plans if you want. From there you can skip this question and then it will redirect you to Figma and you will now have created your account and you can now go and start using it. So now you know how to create a Figma account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.